morning, guys. We're on day 7 of Mini Texas Estates. This is a lineup we're parked up at our ranch. It's quite big, to be fair. It's got its own lake down there. I'm gonna head to registration. Get to do a video walk around of the Mini Cooper SE electric, which is a one-of-one concept. But today has made, I guess, doing the walk lineup a bit harder, given everything's a bit more sporadically spread out as well. But we'll get there. What I can do, I'll do, guys. But yeah, it was nice seeing the wall exclusive. Last night I read the press release about the Cooper SE convertible. It's a one-of-one. But if enough people are interested in it, they will turn it into a full production car. Basically, it looks production ready anyway. Now anyway, so see how it goes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, awesome.
Cool. Right, guys, gonna head down to registration. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Watch out for off-camber turns, I'm told. So there is a bypass. If you plan to bypass the tail of the Dragon, you're going to turn left onto North Carolina 28S instead of continuing on US 74 West and then proceed to Greenville. So that is if you would like to skip that element. Now the full drive is 296 miles. It is estimated to take 7 hours because it's a what kind of drive? Slow! That's right, slow drive. If you want to take the shortcut, it is 196 miles and should take you about 4.5 hours. Now let's talk about the weekend, shall we? Tomorrow we are going to be at Centrum. Well, no, first of all, wait, what's today?
Friday!
Thank you for reminding me again. Yes, we're at Floor Field tonight. This is going to be so much fun. This is our opportunity to party it up at the end of the rally on Floor Field. Now I want to remind you that there are no pets allowed inside the field. This is important. There will be food and beverages. You'll get vouchers for that. And we are going to party it up. So many great surprises happening tonight at Floor Field. Then tomorrow we are at Centrum all day. There are drives, there are tours, there's track opportunity, there's a vendor village. And then we have a couple of drives for you. There's a Chimney Rock run and an Upstate Nature Trail run. You can check out the Power of M exhibit. There is so much to do. Then there's also a One Sweet Ride drive. So many drives. So, ladies and gentlemen, for the last time on MTTS, well, it's not the last time, second to last time of MTTS 2022, are you ready to rally?
Yeah!
Let's motor!
So yeah, guys, this time I'm in Mike in his Clubman Cooper S or 4. We're hitting the back roads. To be fair, it was such a laugh. You'll see it when you watch the video and hear the audio between us. But yeah, enjoy this clip. Me and Mike giggling all the time. Oh, it's sliding already. You can hear it. That's you. Mate, it sounds like you got like a kid's Lego box in the back. Oh Jesus! Oh man, massive understeer. You might as well be driving a VW Golf with that amount of understeer. Yeah, the all season. Yeah, you need some.
I need performance.
Yeah, you need performance.
I mean, honestly, the car takes it well, though.
Yeah, but
the tires don't do it well, but
it's like anything.
The car is taking it so well.
It's like when you drive the 1-2s. Like I know it'll grip.
Yeah,
because the tires are good, but I'm not sure about the chassis because I'm getting no feedback from the steering wheel. It's just funny. It's like
every turn.
Yeah, every turn.
And like I can avoid it. Sure, if I slow down, it'll stop.
But I don't think you were going that fast. It's just the tires can deal with the direction changes.
Yeah. The switchbacks would.
Yeah, the switchback. I think it's
coming up on me.
Yeah, right. I think it was the sidewalls are giving up, and it's probably too soft. Yeah, because I do my mom's BM and the sidewall is a bit soft. It's fine when you drive at 8/10.
Yes, truck.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you wait next day delivery. Oh damn, that's terrible. You literally feel like you're gonna have no sidewalls.
I know, dude. I looked at them and one of the overlook sidewalls are gone.
Gone. You know, all the lettering on the sidewall.
Slide area. Yeah.
What? Yeah, I was gonna say that if I had the lift, the back end would be flying out because when you back off, it rotates really, really quickly.
Also, Bree was saying like her ass was sliding out. She was doing a lot of oversteer.
Yeah. Hard launch it.
Florida second gear.
Right.
It's a hill climb too.
Yeah, a bit of toll gate.
Yeah.
So this moments like this, I wish I had my Mini in it.
Yeah. I wish I had my old Mini, dude.
Yeah.
My 56 would have handled this so much better than this one. Boat land.
Yeah, because you're driving
right now.
It's like your front end of your car is around the corner. You still got to wait on the back end to turn up.
I'm waiting to see the Clubman and that JCW Clubman in my tail.
Yeah. Depends on it, dude. There might be Sunday driving it. Because you get them people that want the bank.
Just cruising it, yeah.
Yeah.
Pick up truck in front of me. So glad I have these paddle shifters, dude. This would be so hard if I didn't.
You could have a manual, mate.
I prefer it.
Yeah.
I prefer the manual.
We've been on the twisties, I showed that earlier, and this still in a national park. Don't know if you guys can see that lake over there. All the trees it's huge. Makes the Lake District look tiny. Damn, dude, you could like all the way there, like you just see that the home.
Range all
Yeah,
there.
it's insane.
Miles, man.
It's insane. Yeah, this is probably fit all of Birmingham in it. And still have like you can shove in London as well. There's enough space for London as well. It's just ridiculous. So today, riding in Mike's Clubman. His Cooper S, all four. It's in melting silver, black roof, and then obviously he's done the play on zinc alloys as a plate. You hear your exhaust tingling in it. Yeah. No, it's a great day so far. Then we've got all the fun stuff, track day and B&B factory tour, the museum. So it should all be good fun. I'm just going to carry on with the road trip and just stop just to take this picture. But we'll fill you guys in later.
Ooh. I wonder how that Countryman's handling these.
It's alright. It's got that square stance in it.
Yeah, but it's taller. Like my stance is like long and wide, right?
It's short
but
wide.
they're like tall and narrow.
Yeah, no, tall and wide.
I feel like this body's wider than that one, though. That's almost the same.
Let's just stick them together again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then I'm definitely shorter and longer.
Yeah.
Which I almost prefer. Take turns better. I was thinking about getting the lowering springs for this actually.
No, I look good with lowering springs.
Because I have the adaptive dampener, so I can't
Yeah.
replace them with coilovers, but I'd rather just put the springs on.
You can, you just have to pay a silly amount for adaptive KW.
Yeah, the KWs, yeah. So I was going to do just lowering springs, bigger wheel, different wheels, fix the exhaust node on it.
Well, that was the problem with the GP3 or something, like lack of noise from it. So now guys, we segue towards the B&B plant tour, and I sort of nose around different cars there. Z1, I've never seen one in real life, but now I've seen one. Baller doors. Ah yes, the E30 M3. And then we got the lightweight CLS. The M1M, the M5 Rude Boy here as well. Lamborghini helped design this car, but they did pull out towards the end. So the original 1M1, sorry. The M3, the lightweight M3 CLS. Well, this was a US special car as well. Yeah, M3 lightweight, sorry. And they got the Z4M. That's got the E46 M3 engine. The new latest and greatest M1 Touque CLS. CS, sorry, not CLS. I'm obsessed with saying CLS at the moment. Carbon caps, got the gold wheels, carbon ceramic brakes. All round perfect size car. Great M car. Over here we've got the art car. Yeah, M8. Going to check out the iDrive cars. Just to be fair, the plant is huge. Makes mini plant oxide look tiny. Then again, they do everything massively big in America anyway. So the new i3X, the iX4, and this is the new iX. It's cool looking. It's got presence. Yeah. Then we got the new M4. Probably a competition. Is it competition? It's an all black gangster mode. Carbon ceramics on that as well. E92 M4 race car. Then we got a selection of all the cars that are made here as well. So the X2, X3, X4, X7. Yeah, an X4. Yeah. It's not much of a big one, but it's cool. We'll see what else is on the tour and we'll get going. So this time we've actually got an EV event, so it's a nice time to unwind, play some bingo and get some food. Yeah, so Mini ESA pulled out the stops again and got us a cool venue, a ball game. So yeah, just essentially enjoying the night of traveling in the USA and not being in the car and just relaxing and unwinding with friends. So yeah guys, at this point I had to cut the audio just due to background music, but it was another great day. We played some games on the field. Like there was Jenga, a few of the noughts and crosses and stuff. Catched up with Nick and just had a good time with the people that I've met along the run as well. As you see, the sun is set. It's been another great day of beautiful weather, open roads, and again, when you get to do this stuff, I've made many great memories. Do Mini Take States. We're winding now to the last 2 days. We're doing a track day tomorrow, so I'm going to make sure all the cameras are charged up, got all my batteries ready. We're going to head out on track. We're doing an off-road section in the Countryman. We got autocross. Now, I believe probably be in a JCW. Then we got some track time, so I can't wait to do it. It'd be nice to put the pedal to the metal, not worrying about going over the lines, but let's have some fun. Yeah, and we got Rutledge, one of the guys from US Top Gear. If you know him, if you know the voice, then you know the voice. It's cool to have him here. We got the big number 37. Got this baseball field. Obviously, we don't have this kind of stuff in the UK, so it's cool just sort of seeing it. But I'm gonna go and grab some water, party the night away, and get ready for that track day tomorrow. Indeed, I did party the night away, even though it was a silent disco, and a great time as always. So thank you, Mini SA. But as always, guys, it's a mini adventure.